Okay, everyone, make this quick. Oh no! A researcher is trying to install Plotly in order to create an interactive graph and demonstrate key national security Iranian targets to the Joint Chiefs of Staff. Well, it's obvious what's going on here. You have to, let me get out my little pen. Plotly needs quotes. There's no quotes. So that's the importance of installing these packages. Hypothesis testing is an integral part of national security, right? Data scientist Pete Hegseth recently rejected the null hypothesis for the alternative hypothesis since the p-value is 0.06. It has to be, and we all know, for it to be statistically significant, it is tough. People want to get rid of the p-value, and it has a strong staying power. So for now, we're going to stay with the p-value to be statistically significant, below 0.05. Trump's tweets are interesting. On the number, on one hand, it's like, this is a huge data set, right? But it also shows a strong significance between retweeting and favoring tweets. That means if you're doing a campaign or something like that, or propaganda for like what's going on now, both sides in Iran and the United States, Ukraine and Russia, etc. Try to use this propaganda so you can actually find what is better, what is more, let's say, welcomed as a tweet and very popular with this kind of model. So it's very important, and also was relevant for artificial intelligence because that's what you're going to do, right? That's what you're going to do. If you want to program artificial intelligence, you want it to go to the most popular treat. Now, very lamentable subject here, poor mice. Poor mice. Everybody likes the mice. Chemical warfare is an important yet lamentable development for national security. Like Iran could have, and we have used chemical warfare, right? They do sadly test these on mice and rats, and that's what you would look into. Research on the Arab Spring aimed to apply statistical, quantitative research to the upheavals, and they would do to food prices, the rising food prices due to ethanol production, right? So ethanol started taking all the land for staple foods, and we see more inflation. So inflation's not going away anywhere. Poor mice, it was a categorical independent variable. I want people to know we can still use the LM function. It was not like the ice cream data set, all numerical. Let's take a look. Artificial intelligence researchers were collecting data, etc. An interesting point of the lecture on terrorism was that the increase of incidents, kills were not statistically significant. And then artificial intelligence, Trump tweets again, could identify. One great way to do this is identify the most popular tweet and then just use it over and over again. So thanks a lot for listening, everyone, and drop a line in the community forum if you have a question.